Over 9 crore devotees have taken the holy dip at the Mahakumbh in UP's Prayagraj. And this figure now includes Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and his cabinet colleagues. The Chief Minister and his ministers took a boat ride to the Sangam. When they reached there, we saw scenes of the camaraderie in the moment of faith. While taking the holy dip, all the ministers were also seen engaging in some light-hearted moments where they splashed water on each other. In fact, politics, though, unfortunately muddled the holy waters, with Akhilesh Yadav and the Samajwadi Party calling it a photo op, and the official media cell of the Samajwadi Party crossing all limits of civility, branding Chief Minister Yogi and his cabinet colleagues Mohalle ke Chhapri and accusing them of doing dharm ka dhanda. In fact, if this wasn't enough, the party's media cell in another tweet juxtaposed viral last year's video of a couple being harassed in Lucknow's Gomti Nagar, with cabinet members splashing water on each other. The BJP has hit back, saying this exposes the Samajwadi Party's anti-Sanathan mindset.
ये प्रभु की ही कृपा है। प्रभु आज ही के दिन 500 वर्षों के बाद अयोध्या में विराजमान हुए थे और आज पहली बार उत्तर प्रदेश का पूरा मंत्री परिषद आज यहां पर आया है। और मुझे लगता है कि अगले कुंभ की क्या स्थिति होती है, लेकिन उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर उत्तर प्रदेश का ये मंत्री परिषद आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी की प्रेरणा से यहां पर प्रयागराज की धरती पर प्रस्तुत कर रहा है।
कुंभ और प्रयागराज वो स्थान नहीं है जहां पर राजनीति और राजनीतिक कार्यक्रम और फैसले लिए जाएं। हम में से बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो गंगा स्नान कराए होंगे, उन्होंने तस्वीर भी नहीं डाली होगी।
योगी आदित्यनाथ का कैबिनेट में वहां बैठक करना और कुंभ में स्नान करना, ये बातें बीजेपी के लिए माने रखती हैं, लेकिन उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता के लिए नहीं।
सनातन का अपमान, यही समाजवादी पार्टी की पहचान, जिन्होंने मठाधीश को माफिया बोला, महाकुंभ पर सवाल और मजाक उड़ाते रहे, ये दिखाता है कि न केवल साधु संतों का, महंतों का अपमान, हिंदू समाज का, हिंदू धर्म का अपमान, महाकुंभ का अपमान।
But remember, this is not the only instance when the Samajwadi Party has targeted the UP government over the Kumbh Mela. The Samajwadi Party clearly seems rattled by the Mahakumbh and the success of the Mahakumbh. Remember, on the 22nd of January, on Yogi's holy dip, the statement that was made by the Samajwadi Party is that the people of UP need jobs, not a holy dip. But not the first time. On the 19th of January as well, when the unfortunate fire mishap had taken place, the Samajwadi Party had said that this exposes Yogi Sarkar's lack of preparedness. On the 16th of January, on the turnout, the numbers that had been given out by the government, that crores of devotees from across the country and the world have turned up, the Samajwadi Party again questioned this. The SP going on to say that all the government figures on Mahakumbh turnout are absolutely fake. Remember, not just the Mahakumbh, previously as well, Akhilesh Yadav had said, Swami Vivekanand had said that roti is about religion, wanting to undermine the significance of Mahakumbh. And on the UP government as well, the Samajwadi Party had said that the UP government will attend Kumbh to wash their sins. But much before as well, on the 8th of January as well, a dig had been taken by the Samajwadi Party saying, when you leave, take one of your peers with you. And remember, previously on Ganga as well, the Samajwadi Party has made such statements saying the Ganga dredging in Prayagraj is an environmental crime. And with the Yogi government, the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath extending invites, the Samajwadi Party had also said that the people come to Kumbh out of faith, not by invite. So this is the statement that has been made by Samajwadi Party.